and welcome to the Chrissy B Show. My name's Hannah Richards and today I'm going to make the James Bond of all egg sandwiches. And that's because there are a few secret ingredients. So I'll take you through the ingredients of everything that you're going to need. You're going to need a pan with some boiling water and we're going to soft boil 2 to 3 eggs depending on how many sandwiches you're going to make. I've got some sourdough bread here. It's a white sourdough. You can use any bread you like. I've got my watercress. The key with watercress, guys, is don't take the stalks out, just break them up. Often you can get quite thick stalks in a watercress, but keep them all in because they provide a really good crunch. I've got some herbs I'm going to use as well. I've got some basil, some parsley, some mint, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. And then I've got some garlic mayonnaise. So, oh, and the last ingredient, some cucumber. So let's get boiling those eggs. Now we're going to cut the sourdough bread and toast it. So make sure you've got a good sharp knife. And I always just take the bum of the bread off. And then you don't want it too thick because you want to enjoy the filling of the sandwich. But, you know, each their own. So, a nice thin slice. There we go, that should do it. And then I'm going to pop them in the toaster. If you don't have a toaster, you can grill them. So my toast is ready and I've just popped it up. I'm going to take it out. Be very careful so you don't burn your fingers. There we go. Perfect. So then I'm going to take my garlic mayonnaise and I'm just going to spread a thin layer over each. There we go. I'm going to take my cucumber and give each piece of toast a slice, a very thin slice of cucumber. So just place 2, maybe 3 on each one. There we go. And then we're going to start peeling the eggs. So I'm just going to move to the side the toast for a minute. And now I'm just going to knock around the side the eggs and very easily the shell should start to peel off. So then I'm just going to layer 2 of the slices of toast with some watercress. And this has got a very small mixture of mint and basil in it as well. Don't worry about the leaves falling off over the side. It's just going to be a beautiful mess. And then we're going to take each egg, and they're really soft boil, and this is why it's the James Bond of all egg sandwiches. So we're just going to put the egg on the top there and slowly cut into it, and you'll see that yolk really fall away. And we're just going to turn it round there and straight away put a lid on it like that. Give it a small press down. See that yolk come through. We're going to start plating that one up and do exactly the same to the second. Get all those yummy leaves on. Cut straight down into the middle. See that beautiful golden yolk come out. This is when timing your eggs, guys, is really valuable. There's nothing worse than a hard-boiled egg. And straight away, put the lid on again, squash down, and plate up. So there you have 2 James Bond egg sandwiches.